Here the fish catcher.
We all said to go fishing. Apparently, uh, the weather states that it might rain in some time. Let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed. Hoping that it doesn't rain. There are plenty of ponds here. This is one of them. But the one which we are about to go for fishing is apparently a big one. We'll get to see how it is. Hi guys, I'm in Paris and I'm standing right outside the Eiffel Tower. Here it is. Not sure if you can see it here. So the fishing equipment has arrived. The team is here. This is Aziz.
Hi.
This is Junaid.
Hi.
The youngest member in the group. And sorry, he is not the youngest one. The youngest one is there. Her name is Zubi. So here we have it. Aziz is holding the fishing rod. We are all set to capture some fishes. The weather is somewhere between pleasant and dangerous. It is about to rain. We're waiting for, as in the net, not the net, but the fishing equipment to be thrown at the pond, which you can see here. It's quite windy, but somewhere between pleasant and dangerous, like I said. We have the entire team over here. So currently we are recording the procedure of how the food is being prepared for the fishes to be caught. So চাচা আপনি একটু বলে দেবেন এতে কি মিক্স করানো আছে, এটা কিভাবে তৈরি হয়?
এটা ওর সুজি আছে, বাটার আছে, ঘি আছে, মধু আছে, নারকেল ডাস্ট আছে, নারকেল তেল আছে, আর পোলাও আছে।
আচ্ছা,
এগুলো সব একসঙ্গে মিক্স করে, পাউরুটি আছে,
এইগুলো মিক্স করে আপনি একটা বল মতন এখন তৈরি করছেন। So this is how it's being prepared. The entire hook which is being covered. So finally it's being covered with some rice and he'll apply some oil on top of it. We'll see that in few seconds.
নারকেল তেলটা কোথায় গেল বাবা ছোটটা?
Here it is. So this is how it is ready. It's prepared now. So I've held a rod here and there's this pin. The moment you see that the pin keeps moving, you get to know that the fish is kind of eating it right now and he's about to get trapped with the hook. So everyone is being patient, just waiting for the fish to be trapped there. The moment we get the indication, this becomes tight and that is the time when you pull out. So let's see if we find something this time.